I have KRUGER Matz Live 7S, and let me show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start here by using the home screen, and if you would like to enable Do Not Disturb really quickly, let's use upper bar twice and let's tap on Do Not Disturb. So here you can enable the total silence, so you can block all sounds and vibrations, and you can choose priority only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibrations except from alarms, reminders and some other customized rules. Or you may also tap alarms only, so you won't be disturbed by sounds and any vibrations except from alarms. What's also really interesting, you can choose the timer, so you can, for example, switch on Do Not Disturb for an hour or for an added period of time. Or you may also choose until you turn it off. Let me tap done. As you can see right here, I'm using the Do Not Disturb. I can also disable this mode by tapping the alarms only. And let's go to the settings now and check out how you can customize your Do Not Disturb rules. So let's open the list of settings, choose here the sound and select Do Not Disturb preferences. As you can see, you can choose priority only allows, and here you can handle with reminders, event. You can also accept some messages and calls from some favorite contacts or for another group of people, and you may also here handle with repeat callers. So that's it, everything is right here. You can go back. You can also here choose some automatic rules. So you can, for example, enable Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or you can add some other customized rules, and you can also block visual disturbance if you would like to. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.